Israeli airstrikes on Sunday have killed at least 16 Palestinians in the Gaza Strip, with attacks in 2 locations in the central part of the enclave. Early in the morning, an airstrike hit a displacement camp in Deir el-Balah, killing 5 members of one family, including children. Witnesses reported a loud explosion followed by the discovery of the family's bodies and others wounded in the area. Later in the day, at least 11 people were killed in a separate strike on a residential house in al-Balah camp. The building was flattened, and there was no prior warning to residents. Many bodies were reported to have been dismembered, and hospital staff had to use flour bags to transport them due to a shortage of coffins. These latest strikes add to the growing toll on Gaza's civilian population. According to Gaza's health ministry, more than 44,700 Palestinians have been killed and over 106,000 injured since the conflict began in October 2023. Meanwhile, the siege of Kamal Adwan Hospital in northern Gaza continues. The facility, one of the few still operational in the region, has been heavily shelled, damaging essential infrastructure such as electricity and oxygen pumps. The hospital is struggling to treat patients, including those in intensive care, due to the lack of power and medical supplies. Several medical staff and patients were wounded in the attack, and Israeli forces have positioned snipers just 500 meters away from the hospital, continuing to target anyone inside. This attack follows a deadly assault on Friday, when Israeli forces stormed the hospital, killing around 30 people under heavy artillery and airstrike cover. Israel justifies its actions by accusing Hamas of using civilian buildings, including hospitals, for military operations. However, Hamas denies these claims, accusing Israel of indiscriminate airstrikes targeting civilian structures.